Right, it's 8:15, Friday the 18th of December, and before the windows steam up, here's the snow outside. It was freezing in the night, absolutely freezing. Oh, look at it out there, here we go, we're steaming up now. Look at this, absolutely awful. The snow on the windows. I mean, it's beautiful. How on earth are we going to get to Mum's at the weekend? Look at this. Oh, here we go, we're steaming up, what a shame. All the snow that's in the windows. Let's open this. Look. Can we see here? So I'll have to open the door. Oh! The snow's come in all over me. I think the door must be covered in it. There you go. Quite a blizzard. My nose froze in the night. I mean, it really did freeze in the night. When I got to the kitchen this morning, despite the heating being on, it was it was about 14 degrees centigrade. Look. I'm going to step in it now. I haven't got the best boots to do that. There we go. Into there. Isn't it fantastic though? I'm going too fast. I always go too fast. Because I'm not a professional and I'm getting snow on it now. And yet it's not snowing. There's something in the air. Hark at the dogs. Or even hark at the dogs. Well, they've got good insulation, haven't they? Right, there's the door. Look, there's the door. Snow all over the door. Oh, that's Canadian geese, but we call them duckies because we're children at heart. Where are they? It's quite deep. Oh, there they are. Can I get them? Just got them. Wow, quite amazing. Oh. Ooh, can't do any weeding then. Look at this. Beautiful. But very thick. See the big thicknesses? I'll get these boots off and put different ones on, I suppose. Look at that. That's our coal bunker with no coal in it. There's the gas box and the windows. What a time. And our recycle bins. Good job recycling was yesterday. Though the blizzard started yesterday, raging winds. See it on their windowsill up there. And ours. Oh, can't do that. So I should walk up the path. Ruin this lovely snow. Too fast. Oh. If anybody watches this, make allowances for my... Oh look, see, we've got quite good there. Hasn't got out of our roof either. Hope our tanks haven't frozen. Oh my goodness, it's at least 6 inches deep because I'm not right at the bottom of it, or maybe 4, I don't know. Yeah, see, all on the roof and our neighbour's roof. Oh, my fingers are freezing. Got these gloves. See these gloves? Mum knitted them for me. Beautiful, but my fingertips. Ugh. Too fast. I keep going too fast. Well, that's enough. I don't think anybody needs to be out. There's all my footprints. I should go back in them. And that's it. I think that's long enough. Right. One tiny little weeny more film. Ooh. On Friday the 18th of December 2009 at about before 8:30 AM I've just come in, rather silly now. I've got to try to get rid of all this snow. Ooh, it's freezing. My fingers are freezing. So, there you go. All steamed up in here. Absolutely horrible, but beautiful. Bye-bye. Right, it's still Friday, 18th of December 2009. I've just opened the back door. It's about 9:15 in the morning. You know, our heating's been on all night, on low. It wasn't enough. Freezing. Look at this, up the sheds. Oh, it's a bit dull. Probably gonna have to. Ooh, I have somehow to plough through that to get to my office. I've only just got the snow off my boots from the front. Wow. Now we've had it as deep, but it's how it's all gone up against the house. It really was a blizzard, and the winds were horrible. And you never know if things are going to freeze up and you have all the added problems. Now, I don't particularly want to step into all that. Ooh, because I'll be banging my boots again. They're still soaking wet. So I think I'll have to go and put something different on. See, even in the house, I shall turn it round somehow. But I don't know how you do that. Even in the house,